All right, this is Mr. Bailey, and I'm giving another tutorial on Adobe Premiere. One of the things that is a neat thing to be able to do in Adobe Premiere is to use one of the functions. I'm going to move these things over. One of the functions right here. Normally, we've been doing our work by using the selector tool, which is what I have my mouse actually floating over right now. But one of the coolest tools that you have right here is known as the razor tool. And I'll explain what it does. So what the razor tool does is it literally puts a cut and ends a clip, and you can also clip somewhere else and it'll clip there. And then you have its own clip separated, and then you're able to remove any unnecessary video. So let me show you an example of this. Last night, the varsity girls basketball game played against DeKalb, and when we got to halftime of the game, I'm going to move the timeline to just before halftime. You can see that they're starting to we're starting to shut down for halftime, and when you actually get to the halftime part, you'll see that it says halftime. Well, if I zoom in to that part of the clip, I'm going to go a little bit. There we go. You'll notice that halftime starts at about like 35 minutes into the video, and then the game doesn't start again until approximately 44 minutes in. So there's all this dead weight. If I like fast forward through the timeline, notice it continues to say time halftime in the previewer. When I navigate there, you'll see that halftime kind of comes to an end. So what I'm going to do is I don't want all of this empty space here. It was okay during the live stream because obviously during the live stream, you can't control what's happening at halftime, and I wasn't going to stop the live stream. But as a video file, I don't want people sitting for 8 minutes going, look, it says halftime. Look, it says halftime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the first part that I want to cut, and I'm going to click on the razor tool, and I'm going to go to that spot on that clip, and notice the little razor icon appears at that moment in time. And when I click, you'll notice that there's now a part that has been cut right there. So now I'm going to navigate to where I want the second cut to take place. So I don't want to cut it right there. In fact, I want the last, yeah, there we go. That's a good spot to like cut the video again. So once again, I'm still activated with the razor tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right there, right where I'm on the timeline, and you'll notice a second cut has taken place. Now, I don't want all this dead video in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the selection tool, and I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to select this clip right there, and then I'm going to hit either the delete button, or you can right click and hit cut. I'm going to hit delete. And when I hit delete, notice that that video is gone. It's no longer part of the final timeline. But what I have to do at this point is I have to slide this video clip that's to the right. I have to slide it over to the left so that it's lined up with the other video. So basically, I'm just going to slide it over. And now our halftime video is less than 30 seconds long. So if I actually will preview it, and you can see that it says halftime there. And what will happen is timeline goes forward. There's only a few minutes where it says halftime, and then it's going to switch over at about, and I'm zooming in, let's see how many seconds here. And it's opening up with the same clip where it says halftime, and then what you'll see is notice the stream comes back online. You can see that we have our shot. There's some audio playing, which you can't hear in there, but it's a good way to get a bunch of unnecessary video is by using the razor tool, which was the point of today's tutorial. Hope you found this informative.